Hi everyone. Tonight what I'll be making for you is pasta Piselli. That's pasta with peas, Neapolitan style. I have here, this is like a half of a medium onion. It was a large onion, so I'm putting it in my trusty little blender. When I need something really chopped, I put it in here. It's heating up. I'm putting 2 tablespoons of olive oil. It should be warm because I said I had it heating up. I'm putting in literally a handful of pancetta. This is a serving for like 2 or 3 people. I got the pancetta heating up, and I'm going to brown it a little bit. Okay, so the pancetta is browning, and I'm going to add the onions and the garlic and some fresh parsley. That smells good. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so the onions, the pancetta is all nice and browned. I'm going to add some tomato sauce. About a cup. A little bit of salt. Small can of peas. I'm going to salt the water. About 1/4 pound to a half, depending on how hungry you are, to the pasta water. What I'm going to do is take the pasta, put it in the sauce. I think we have all the pastas. Actually, we don't. There's also a pasta with cauliflower. I think I made all the rest of them. We made zucchini. We made potatoes. I'm going to put just a wee bit more pasta water. Wow. This is a big bowl. I just want to let you know. Put some cheese on here. That's delicious. That is so good. Until next time, bon appetit.